Okay, so I'll admit the word hate is very strong, but I already made a what I love video, so I feel like the opposite has to be hate. Anyways guys, Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today's video, I'm breaking down the things I really don't like about the OnePlus 9 Pro. If you like tech, phones, smart home, and more, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification while you're down there. I've been using the OnePlus 9 Pro as my daily personal phone for about a month, and I found some things that I really don't like about it. Now, some things can be fixed with software and others not so much. So let's dive into it. Number one, it has to be the price. You know, OnePlus prices have creeped up more and more over the years, where Samsung and Apple are now giving flagship options for their lower end phones, and mid-level phones are getting better and better. Many times I do recommend a mid-level phone instead of a flagship phone for most people. OnePlus is now smack right dab in the middle of the ultra premium price point. So before, price was a huge selling point with OnePlus. You get a quality phone for far less than what the other guys are charging. That's not the case so much anymore. They're now around the same price as those other guys. Now, OnePlus has a non-Pro version of their phone too, but once again, that fits in that same price point. I don't know many people that would choose a OnePlus 9 or OnePlus 9 Pro over an S21, especially when you factor in the trade-in offers that Samsung has and all the goodies they can give you. Now, number two has to be the overhyped camera. Now, let me make this very clear. I don't think the camera is bad, but OnePlus really hyped it up to the point where anything less than the best camera I've seen would be a disappointment. OnePlus made it a point to let us know that they're investing over $130 million into the camera system to make it the best on mobile. Although I still think it was a pretty solid upgrade, it's still far from the best, and the partnership with Hasselblad, many saw it as a gimmick. I will not go that far yet, but that is something OnePlus should be careful of, whereas the narrative should be that this camera is pretty good and it's much better than last year's. Now they set the bar up so high that people expected so much more, to the point where it was actually impossible to reach, and that just leads to disappointment. Number three is screen sensitivity. The screen is curved, and many people dislike curved screens for a number of reasons. I'm not really in that camp. The main reason people dislike curved screens is accidental presses. Since it's curved, at times you accidentally press on the screens when just, picking it up or anything like that. Your thumb just naturally grazes it. And for a lot of people, that's just a non-starter. Press rejection towards the edges, so anything towards the edge, it just cancels the press, which sounds like a great idea. However, it actually stops regular presses too. So if I'm trying to type a text or scroll on the side, it may not register. It's something pretty annoying when trying to type, and you may end up missing characters. And it's something that I thought would be addressed by now, but it's still there. Number four is this color is a fingerprint magnet. So many new phones are now going to frosted or matte glass, which hides fingerprints better. Even the 8 series had that too. However, with the 9 and 9 Pro, on some colors, we have a glossy back. And after handling the phone just for a little bit, this phone gets pretty dirty and it just looks really bad. So of course, you can get a case from OnePlus, and I really do like their cases. But if you don't want to rock a case, or you want to switch up the way your phone looks, my sponsor dbrand can help you out. For less than 15 bucks, you can get a premium vinyl skin that goes on the back of the phone, gets rid of those smudges, and you get a pretty cool looking device. I personally love this camel skin, but of course you can do whatever you want. There's so many different options and styles to choose from. Hit my links down below to debrand your device. And reason number five is value. This is and isn't tied into price, but hear me out. OnePlus over the years have moved away from the value line so much where they made a separate line just for value called the Nord. But when OnePlus makes their premium phone around the same price as Samsung or Apple, and then the next version comes out in about 6 months, the value of the phone is just not the same. Also with Samsung, you can trade in and get nearly half off the next phone. And that's a great deal. Once you've owned a Samsung device, you could always get the next one and kind of trade up and not pay full price for the phone. I do love OnePlus phones, but the OnePlus 9 Pro has 5 things that holds it back from being one of the best. As I said before, I made a what I love about this phone and a full review, and those are all linked down below. Anyways guys, that is my spiel. Let me know what you think down below as well. Kevin the Tech Ninja, have a great day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.